This is class 6 of algebraic expression, and in this class we are going to learn collecting like terms. So what are like terms? We will learn about that, and then why do we need to collect like terms. Consider again the pictures of containers and strawberries we used previously. This represents one strawberry. This represents P strawberries in a punnet, and this represents C strawberries in a crate. This you have to remember, and then we proceed. In this case, he is talking about this figure. In this case, this represents 2C plus P strawberries. Why 2C? Because there are 2 crates and 1 punnet. So 2C plus P strawberries. And in the second case, like this one, represents C plus 3P strawberries. There is just 1 crate, so C or 1C, and 3P strawberries, because there are 3 punnets. Adding these together means you have to add 2C plus P, which is here, and C plus 3P, which you can see here. So if you add them, you will get 3C, 2 plus 1, 3C, and 3 plus 1, that is 4P. So adding together we got 3C plus 4P. Now let us take a look here. Adding these together gives 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, that is 2C and P. So 2C plus P here, and this represents C plus 3P. C means 1 crate and 3 punnets. So in total you have how many crates? 1, 2, 3. So you can see here 3 crates and how many punnets? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 punnets has been drawn over here. Using symbol 2C plus P and C plus 3P together gives 3C plus 4P. That is what I got here, 3C plus 4P. Now I must tell you one thing. While adding, we have to add the like terms. I will explain you. 3C, 2C, 5C, these are like terms because every term has same letter. Similarly, 4P, 2P, 9P, these are another like terms. So 4P, 2P, 9P, each one of them have same letter P. So these are like terms of one type, and these are like terms of other type because they are having C as their suffix. Now in algebra we cannot add C and P. We can just add 4P, 2P, that will give us 6P, and 4P, 2P, 9P, that will give us 15P. So since they are like terms, they can be added at one place, and these are the other set of like terms. So if you add them, 3, 2, 5 and 5, 10C. I hope you understood. That is why we are collecting like terms and then we add them. That is why it is written here, collecting like terms. Now if you observe carefully, it is written over here using symbol this. The algebraic expression on the left has been simplified by collecting together the symbols which were the same. That is called simplifying by collecting like terms. 2c and c are like terms and they add to 3c. 2c plus c are like terms and they add to 3c. Similarly, p plus 3p are like terms and they will be added to and they will give you 4p. I hope you understand so far. So if I ask you to add c plus 2c plus p, it will be c plus c 2c and 2c 4c, and p plus p will be 2p. Now we cannot add c and p. We have to stop here. This is the final answer. Coming to the question example 10, it is mentioned simplify c plus c plus c plus d plus d. So collect the like terms. So c and c and c. There are 3 c's. So adding together the 3 c's we get 3c, and d plus d will give us 2d. This is called addition by collecting like terms. Now in this example, if you observe carefully, n and n is there minus m plus m plus m. So n plus n will give you 2n and m plus m will give you 3m. But in between there is minus sign, so you have to give minus sign here. So finally your answer here is 2n minus 3m. Example 11, simplify by collecting like terms. 4x plus 3x. So like terms 4x and 3x added together gives you 7x. 4x and 3x are like terms. 3x minus 2x, they are also like terms. So you can subtract them and you will get 1x. But we don't write 1x, we write 1x as x. So x is written. Then 8x minus x, 8x minus x, which is 8x minus 1x, that is equal to 7x. And what about this example? 3x plus 2. Let me explain you. 3x plus 2. This is one term and this is other term. Both of them are unlike terms. So we cannot add them. So our answer will be just 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 cannot be simplified as 3x and 2 are not like terms. Hope my explanations so far are very clear to you. As I have been asking, if you have any doubt, you can always write your doubt in the comment section. Now exercise 7D I am giving you as homework. I have explained everything. You shouldn't face any difficulty in doing these sums. For example, I will do this sum. This is 2 plus m plus m. So how many m? 2 plus 2m and then n. N is there, n is there, n is there. So total 3n. So write 3n, and in the there is 3 also. So write 3. And finally, because 2 and 3 are like terms, they are constant terms. So you will write 2m plus 3n plus 5. That will be your final answer. Now if you notice carefully, all of them are unlike terms, so we cannot add them further. So that is going to be your answer. Similarly, if I have to solve any question, let us let me help you with this question. Q plus Q, Q plus Q minus Q plus Q. So we will, whenever there is plus and minus and same letter or term, we can cancel them out. Plus Q and minus Q gets cancelled. You are left with Q and plus Q. So Q plus Q will give you 2Q. Now example 12, there are 3 questions. I will help you with one question, that is part C. 3x plus x minus 7x, and simplify by collecting the like terms. That is the question. So you can see here all are like terms because each one has x as the suffix. So they are all like terms. So we can add them. 3x plus x will give us 4x and minus 7x. So 4 minus 7 is minus 3 and x, and that is your answer. I hope you understood this. In case there is a problem, you can write and I will explain in the live class. Now in this example 3, all the questions I can see are okay. You can solve them. Let me help you with this question. N minus t minus 2t. Now how to solve it? So they are all like terms. Minus t and minus t will give you minus 2t. You can think of this as minus 1t and minus 1t and minus 2t. Now you can understand minus 1 and minus 1, when you add in integers you get minus 2t, and then this minus 2t. So minus 2t and minus 2t will give you minus 4t. I hope you have no confusion in understanding the addition of integers. If you have that problem, then you might face difficulty in understanding, so that you have to mention in the comment section. Then I will take a separate class on that. It is expected in your grade that you know the simplification on integers. Now example 13, simplify by collecting like terms. You have 3a plus b plus 4a plus 2b plus 1. I hope you can do it easily. Let me see if this question I can help you with. 3a plus 6b minus a minus 2b. Now 3a minus a is 2a and 6b minus 2b is 4b plus 4b. So answer would be 2a plus 4b. 3a minus 1a, that will give you 2a. 3 minus 1 is 2 and this is a, so 2a. And next is 6b minus 2b. 6b minus 2b. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and this is b, so 4b. But 6 has plus sign here. So finally our sign will be positive in the middle. You will do the remaining questions as homework, and if any difficulty just let me know, then I will help you with that. Thank you very much.